Chapter 3 Matrices, Exercise 3.1, first question. In the matrix A, write the order of the matrix. How do we write the order of the matrix? Order of the matrix. It is very simple. Always when they ask order of the matrix, we are supposed to write rows into column, which will be in the form of m into n. So it is very simple. You should just count how many rows are there and how many columns are there. So how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 1 row, 2 row and third row. So there are 3 rows and how many columns? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the order of the matrix. 3 into 4 is the order of the matrix. What is the second question? The number of elements. So number of elements. It is again the same way. If you multiply rows into column, you'll find the elements. So how many rows are there? 3 rows and 4 columns are there. So 3 into 4 is equals to 12 elements are there. What are elements? All the numbers which are inside the square brackets is called as elements. No need to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Just multiply the rows and columns and you'll get the answer for the elements. And third question is write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. So what is this A13? So A13 is in the form of Aij. And what is this I and J? I is always rows and J is always column. Rows is always represented by I and column is always represented by J. So we have the question is A13. What is this 13? So in the place of I we have 1 and in the place of J we have 3. So it is first row, third column. What do we have? Which element do we have in first row, third column? This is the first row and this is the third column. Which element do we have in first row, third column? That is 19. We have an element called as 19. Second question, 821. It is again the same way. Second row, first column. So second row and first column, it is 35. Then we have A33 means third row, third column. We have -5. A24, it is second row and fourth column and we have 12 as our element. And then A23, it is second row, third column, that is 5 by 2.